Good day, family. Today we are making fried rice with beef. We start with boiling our beef with garlic, spring onion and celery. You can put your stock, chicken stock or beef stock. After that, when it's soft, we start frying the beef. As you can see, we fry the beef. Must be goldish, well done. We have already our spices. This is a celery, another one with spring onion. We blend it, we mix with the meat. We fry together to taste our meat. Then we have garlic. We have green pepper, yellow, red, with carrots. Chop it well, mixed to fry together with the meat that we are frying in the pot. A big quantity of rice we're making for more than 20 people. 20-25. We fry together. You can add the salt. We have already the rice that is clean. We prepare the rice already. We clean the rice. In the meantime, we're still frying our meat. Then we take the rice, we mixed. As you can see, we put the rice. Mix together. We fry the rice until it's ready. When it's well fried, then we take water, not a big quantity. You put water, you mix with water, you cover the pot. You cover so that the rice will be soft. Here you can see our rice is soft and cooked. Well done with meat inside. Share the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment. Thank you. Enjoy your rice.